Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. Right, so guys, we are going to talk about what I'm actually expecting for the price of Bitcoin, and you actually read the title where Bitcoin is actually going to go to 80,000 before the 5th of this month. So this is what I'm actually expecting, and I'm going to share everything to you, and you have to actually pay attention to what I actually see, right? Because actually explaining this. So this is the reason why I actually think. But first of all, so what we want to actually discuss here, we're actually going to discuss about the lower time frame, right? This is the 4-hour time frame. We're actually going to discuss about what is happening in the 4-hour time frame, right? And I'll take you to why I think Bitcoin is actually going to hit 80,000 in the next few days here. So guys, happy new month, right? So what are we actually seeing here? The price of Bitcoin, right? You can actually see how Bitcoin have been. Let me move into the I think this should be okay. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can just go here to your chart and check it out, right? Now if we look at the price of Bitcoin, we're actually going to find out that we got rejected at this area, right? We got rejected at this area, right? And we can also see other rejection zone that we're actually seeing in the 4-hour time frame, right? You can actually see we also got rejected at this area, also got rejected at this area, we also got rejected at this area, which is making it the 5th times we are getting rejection from the price of the market at this whole range, right? At this whole range here. And the most important level we need to actually pay attention to is this level here, which is currently holding at the area of 71,000 to 72,000, right? If we confirm, because anytime we actually got rejected at this level, we seem to actually drop, right? We also got rejected at this level, we drop, right? Bounce, we got rejected at this level, right now we're actually dropping, right? So if we maybe confirm the breakout around this area, we could get a massive pump to the upside. And when that massive pump to come, this is where the line to go to 80,000 will be more easier, guys. So let me actually clean up this chart so that we could talk about more things, and to the reason why I think, and to the reason why I say Bitcoin is likely going to hit 80,000 in the next few days here coming. Guys, pay attention. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video so that it can be recommended to others, right? So with that, let's see, let us actually zoom in, right? So this is where we actually have a drop, right? So what are we actually seeing here, right? Let me don't use this chart, let me go to another chart, right? So we actually seeing, this is what we are actually seeing, right? So guys, we actually see this before, right? This is where we actually drop. You can actually see where Bitcoin actually drop then, right? So I will not be marking that level, right? But what we actually see here is that the price of Bitcoin is currently skewing out, right? We skews out. This is the same pattern that actually happened. We skews out. You can actually see how we consolidate at that level, right? And we actually have a big push to the upside. And that push to the upside gave us around, let us actually zoom it out, guys. Let us actually zoom it out so that we are actually going to pay attention to what we are actually going to see in the upcoming days here for the price of Bitcoin, right? So let us actually zoom out. We have immediately that breakout happened, we have a push up of 19%, right? You can actually see it here. We have a push up to the price of 19%, right? Let me show you guys. We have a push up to the price of 19%, which you can actually see here, right? If you actually look at it, we have a push up to the price up above 19%, right? And it also happened over here, when Bitcoin was also squeezing out, right? You can actually see how we actually consolidate around that region. We consolidate around that region, right? Before we see a massive push out, right? And how many percent do we actually get from this? We're actually going to calculate it again. So guys, pay attention. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe so that you don't miss out on any move that the market is actually trying to make here, right? So we see a move of extra 21%. 21%, guys. So what do you expect, right? So anytime we see this pattern, just know that there is a time for that move to happen. The time for that move to happen has come, right? It happened twice before, and in that twice we see the price gaining above 20% increase, which we actually calculate right now. And guys, what are we actually seeing here? The price of Bitcoin is currently squeezing out. We are currently squeezing out, trading around this level. If we break out, how many percent increase did you expect from the price of Bitcoin? And this is what we are going to calculate today. How many percent increase should we expect? If previously we are having above 10%, just calculate if the price of Bitcoin even hit way above that. That means the price will even go to as high as 84,000 in the next coming days here. Guys, this is what you need to actually pay attention to. So this is what I came to discuss. So what is my expectation to this is between, my expectation for this is between this region, is between this let me just let me find chart. Is between this region, is between from the first, right? From the 1st to 15th of this month, right? From the 1st to 15th of this month. So we are actually expecting a big pump to the upside. Guys, pay attention, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to keep watching, because we actually predict the price of Bitcoin move before it actually move, right? So we are actually going to look at this scenario, pay attention to this scenario, and we watch to see the next move that Bitcoin is actually going to take, right? So I'm going to see my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So guys, goodbye.